Imagine for a second that you find your dream home or a great investment property. You go to the bank to get pre-approved for the loan and you get denied because you have bad credit. If you're watching this video, you might have had this happen to you already. That's why I'm making this video to show you how to get a mortgage with bad credit so you can either buy that investment property or you can buy your dream home. Take a second and think about what your credit score is. Is it 500 or lower? Well, don't worry, because I'm going to show you how to get a mortgage even if your credit score is lower than 500. Funny enough, at one point, I was in this situation. My credit score was roughly around 600 when I bought my first investment property and I bought my first house to live in, so I remember what it's like. I'm not going to beat around the bush, so if you're ready, go ahead and hit that like button for me and turn it blue. It really does help out the channel and it helps push this video out to more people with bad credit so they can hopefully get a mortgage as well. The first way I'm going to show you to get a mortgage with bad credit is exactly how I did it. I got my wife to be on the loan. Now don't worry if you don't have a spouse, because you can do this by yourself, and at the end of this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do it by yourself. This works for anyone with any type of credit, no matter how low your credit is, because you can get a mortgage without your name being on it as long as you trust the person. It could be your mom, dad, brother, sister, or anyone else that you trust. They can purchase the property with their name and with their credit, and you can basically rent out the property from them for the amount what the mortgage is. You obviously will have a predetermined agreement with them that basically says that, you know, this is your house, and if they help you with this, you can compensate them in some form, whatever it is, whenever you decide to sell the property. So later down the line, if you sell a property and you make $100K off the property, you can give them, you know, $5,000 or $10,000 for helping you out, because you wouldn't have made that $100K otherwise. Like I said earlier, you need to trust this person because you can clearly see the risk involved in this. If you get into a huge fight with this person, if you have a falling out, that person has control of that property. Another way of doing this is renting out someone's credit. So you can partner with someone, tell them that, hey, I will pay you X amount if you let me use your credit in order to purchase this property. This is fairly common in the real estate investing community. Obviously, there's going to be contracts involved to protect you and the person who is lending out their credit to you. But if you don't want to deal with that, and if you want to do it yourself, I have some great news. As long as you have over a 500 credit score, because what I was just talking about is credit scores lower than 500. So if you want to do this yourself, you have to have over a 500 credit score. But if you have over a 500 credit score, you can do this yourself with no issues. Before I do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you're getting some value out of this. And while you're down there, hit that bell notification if you want to get notified when I upload a new video just like this one. One of the best ways to get a loan if you have bad credit is utilizing an FHA loan. This is a loan program where people with bad credit and low income can finally become homeowners. With an FHA loan, all you have to put down is 3.5% to 5% and have a minimum credit score of 500. Now, I have heard of people having to put 10% down if their credit score is lower than 620, 640, but that is something you can talk with your lender about and hopefully work something out. This is all you're gonna have to do. Call a bank or call a mortgage lender and ask them if they do FHA loans. That's all you have to do. Now, they're gonna ask you some questions that you need to be answering truthfully, but after that, you're on your way to finally becoming a homeowner. That could be either owning an investment property by either house hacking, a single family home, duplex, triplex, or fourplex, or just buying your dream home. Now, if you wanna know how you can live mortgage free as well, there's gonna be a video popping up on your screen right now that shows you exactly how to do that. So if you're interested in learning how to live mortgage free or rent free, click on that video. But until the next video, I'm out. See ya.